Today, we are focusing on map labeling questions in IELTS Listening Part 2. This type of question looks scary, but it's actually one of the easiest scoring sections if you use the correct method. Let's break it down properly. Step 1. Understand what map labeling really tests. Remember, IELTS is not a test of your drawing skills. IELTS tests directional language. Words like left, right, straight ahead, past, behind, at the far end, next to, directly. If you don't understand directions, you lose marks. Simple. Step 2. The 20-second preparation. When the narrator says, "You have some time to look at questions 11 to 15, do not just sit there, you must orient yourself. Find the "you are here" point. Always look for the main entrance or the visitor center. This is your start button. Predict the compass. If there is a north, south, east, west symbol, the speaker will use those terms. If there isn't, they will use left, right, top, bottom. The clock face rule. Imagine the map is a clock. The far end is usually 12 o'clock and the entrance is 6 o'clock. Step 3. Solving the Greenwood traps. IELTS maps are designed to trick your spatial awareness. Here are the 3 main traps featured in our video. 1. The adjacency trap, bistro versus cafe. The speaker mentions the old cafe first, to the left. Most students hear the cafe, see a building, and immediately write down the letter next to it. The trick, the speaker uses however or but to invalidate the first building. The tip, keep your pencil moving past the first landmark mentioned until you hear the confirmation of the current or new location. 2. The fork in the road decision. In the map, there is a fork. This is a classic test of left versus right. The trick, the speaker might describe the wrong path first to see if you follow it. The tip, visualize yourself walking on the path. If the speaker says, "Take the left-hand path," your pencil should move immediately to the left side of the paper. 3. The original purpose trap, education hub. The warden says the hub was originally going to be a gift shop. The trick, they mention 2 nouns for 1 location. Listen for tense markers. Past tense, was, used to be, intended, is distractor. Present tense, is, has become, now serves as, is the answer. Step 4. Critical tips for Band 9. Use preposition mapping. Before the audio starts, quickly scan the map and think of the prepositions. Is the building opposite the pond? Is the building in the corner? Is the building adjacent to the woods? Hearing these words in the audio will act as anchors for your brain. Don't look at the questions. This sounds counterintuitive, but look at the map, not the list of names. Keep your eyes on the visual layout. When the speaker says "new bistro," your eye should find the spot, then you look down at the letter and write it next to the word bistro. If you stare at the words, you will lose your place on the map. Ignore the extra letters. There are always more letters, A, B, C, D, E, than there are questions, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1 or 2 letters are always decoys. If you finish and haven't used D, don't panic. It was likely just a distractor.